Hi everyone. Do you get intimidated when you have to cook salmon? You worry that you're either going to overcook it or undercook it and don't want to spend the money on good quality salmon just to mess it up? Well, what if there was a way to get perfect results every time without any fancy equipment? So let me show you how easy it is. So let's jump right in and see how easy it is to cook perfect salmon every time. The first thing we need to do is make a Corp bouillon. It's French for short broth, which is a flavorful liquid used to poach things. To make this, we're going to use black pepper, half a lemon, thyme, dill, parsley, a few garlic cloves, and shallots, water, kosher salt, and sugar. Then just put the pot on the burner and simmer it for 20 minutes. While that's simmering, let's get our salmon ready to cook. And to do this, we want a nice thick piece of salmon that's about 1 pound. Then just cut it in half and place it in a dish deep enough to cover the salmon with the liquid. Then just pour the boiling hot liquid right over top of the fish and let it sit for about 20 minutes. You can use thinner pieces of fish if you want, just know that they'll be more well done when they're finished, but it won't be dried out. Since we have a few minutes while we're waiting for our fish to cook, let's make a really easy tzatziki vinaigrette for the salmon. And to do this, we need to microplane garlic, shallot, the other half of our lemon and the juice, and cucumbers. And it should look like this so far. Now we can chop our dill and parsley leaves. Add our Greek yogurt, some red wine vinegar, black pepper, and kosher salt. Give it a mix and you have a really easy vinaigrette that you can use for salads, marinades, whatever you want. So at this point, the fish sat for about 20 minutes and the liquid has cooled down and it's not really going to cook anymore. So let's take out the fish and dry it off. Now the moment of truth, we see how the fish is cooked. And to me, this is perfect. Medium rare, moist, no hard sear on the outside, and you keep a lot of the good fats cooking this way because the fish never gets too hot. Now you're probably saying, oh man, I like crispy skin. Well, I have you covered too. Get some oil hot in a pan and add the fish skin side down. Make sure that the skin is dry, otherwise you'll have hot oil splashing all over the place and it's gonna hurt. And you need to cook this for about 2 minutes on the skin side only. Now we have nice crispy skin salmon. And put that on a plate with our tzatziki vinaigrette, and you're all set. This fish is still perfectly cooked even with the crispy skin, and the salmon with the vinaigrette just makes it even more tasty. Cooking the salmon like this is a great way to meal prep your fish for the next few days too. You can just grab a piece of poached salmon and add it to whatever you're having for lunch. Thanks for watching my video on how to cook salmon perfectly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drop me a comment and let me know what videos you want to see next. See you next time.